Hello, welcome to Len's YouTube Kitchen. Today's menu is microwave spaghetti volume 2. What we need is frozen salmon, paprika, and cucumber. I explained during the former video. Here I repeat again. Putting a glass of water at the side of a dish in the microwave is important, otherwise the content might explode. Cover the salmon with a lid and a glass of water at the side. 360 watt and 5 minutes. The salmon is ready. Cut all vegetables. Need soy sauce and olive oil. We will make a sauce with lime, sugar, and soy sauce. How to cook spaghetti was explained in the video of volume 1. Let's finish. Mix all vegetables, spaghetti, and lime soy sauce. That's it. This spaghetti is very simple, but the lime sauce and the salmon combination is very tasty. Today it was about microwave spaghetti volume 2. If you can subscribe on this Lens channel, I really appreciate. Thank you.